if you miss, you will land among the stars. Good morning, everyone.
चांद को लक्ष्य बनाओ, अगर तुम चूक गए तब भी तुम सितारों के बीच पहुंच जाओगे। सुप्रभात सभी को।
We, the teachers and students of grade 1, welcome you all to the special assembly themed Ambitious.
हम ग्रेड 1 के शिक्षक और छात्र आपको दिवाली और महत्वाकांक्षी सभा में स्वागत करते हैं।
We welcome our dearest director, Mrs. Shirley Dennis, Vice Principal, Mrs. Vishmita Shamsuddin, and supervisors, Mrs. Priya Mugeshwaran and Mrs. Madiha.
मैं अपने प्रिय डायरेक्टर श्रीमती शर्ली डेनिस, उप प्रधानाचार्य श्रीमती विस्मिता शमसुद्दीन और पर्यावकों श्रीमती प्रिया मुगेश्वरन और श्रीमती मदिहा का स्वागत करती हूँ।
The theme for today's assembly is much more apt with the right person being here amidst us. It's none other than our pillar of grit and strength who always makes us believe that we are all unique and we can reach the unreachable stars. So, I invite our dear director Shirley ma'am to come and inaugurate today's beautiful assembly with the theme Ambitious. Ma'am, we request you to kindly do the honors.
आज की सभा का विषय सही व्यक्ति के साथ होना और भी उपयुक्त है। यह हमारी दृढ़ और ताकत की नींव जो हमेशा हमें ये विश्वास दिलाती है कि हम सभी अद्वितीय हैं और हम असंभव सितारों तक पहुंच सकते हैं। इसलिए हम अपनी प्रिय डायरेक्टर शर्ली मैम को आमंत्रित करती है कि वह आज की इस सुंदर सभा का उद्घाटन करें।
Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. I am Siani. And I am Emma. We are the hosts for the day. Prayer is a powerful tool that you can use to change your life. So let's pay gratitude to Almighty by starting our assembly with Islamic prayer by Harun, followed by the prayer. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنا أعطيناك الكوثر فصل لربك وانهر إن شانئك هو الأبتر صدق الله العظيم. an Indian-born American astronaut and engineer. I am honored to share my story with you. As a child, I would gaze up at the stars in wonder, dreaming of the mysteries of the universe. My passion for science and exploration led me to become the first Indian woman in space. Hello friend, I am Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of USA. My friend, I know struggle or do well. Growing up in poverty, I had to work hard to educate myself and make a better life for myself. I learned that struggle is a part of life, but it's also a chance to grow, to learn, and to become stronger. And I believe that's true for each and every one of us. Hello, I am Helen Keller. I lost my vision and hearing when I was a baby, but that did not define me. With the help of my teacher, I learned to communicate through touch. I became a speaker, advocate, and author. I am proud to be a beacon of hope to everyone to overcome all the challenges in life. Hello everyone, I am Nelson Mandela, former President of South Africa. The greatest glory in life lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. My hard work and determination have helped me to rise above the challenges and make a lasting impact on the world. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am Shahrukh Khan, but you can call me the king of Bollywood. I have been active for over 30 years in the Indian film industry. Over the years, I have acted in more than 80 films and won numerous awards, making me one of the most popular actors not just in India but around the world. My journey wasn't always easy. I didn't come from a family in the film industry, but I worked hard and believed in my dreams, and that's why I'm standing here today as one of the biggest stars. One thing I always say is success is not a good teacher. Failure makes you humble, and that's what I live by. I believe in working hard, staying humble, and of course, entertaining people.
Hello everyone, my name is Thomas Edison. I am an inventor and I have created some things that you probably use every day. You might know me as the person who made the light bulb work in a way that everyone could use. I didn't stop there, I also invented the phonograph, which was the first machine that could record and play sounds. I also helped bring electricity to homes and cities. People say I am one of the most famous inventors in history, but it wasn't easy. I worked really hard, sometimes tried hundreds of times before I got something right.
Thank you, Emma. It was so inspiring. Do you all love listening to the stories? I love listening to the stories, like our teachers are narrating in the class. Today we are here with the story of an ambitious young boy named Frank. So everyone sit back and enjoy.
Once upon a time, there was a boy named Frank. Frank was a smart and energetic boy who loved to go to school. But one day, an unexpected setback left him with hurt and unsure. Let us watch the story of Frank.
Frank, wake up, Frank. It's time to go to school. know, I have a story writing competition next week. I wanted to record, but I lost my confidence. Don't worry, dear. You have to be strong enough to face the world. Frank, if you have an ambition in your life, nothing can stop you in achieving that.
Oh, it was sad. Frank fell, striking his knee badly on the rough road. That evening, Frank's mother noticed how sad he was. She sat beside him and showed him a video of children dancing with excitement and energy.
कसके जूता कसके बेल्ट उसके अंदर अपनी शर्ट मंजिल को चली सवारी कदमों पे जिम्मेदारी हाथ में फाइल मन में दम मीलों मील चलेंगे हम हर मुश्किल से टकराएंगे डर से मस ना होंगे हम इनको प्यारी है एकदम आज्ञाकारी है ये उम्र पर ही जीते हैं ये टोने सारे पीते हैं वक्त पे सोते वक्त पे खाते दाम के सीना बढ़ते जाते जैसे छिड़का कोई साज है हर काम को ताला करते हैं ये सपने पाना करते हैं ये हर दम सोचा करते हैं ये खुद से पूछा करते हैं क्यों दुनिया का नारा चले रहो क्यों तकदीर का इशारा चले रहो क्यों दुनिया का नारा चले रहो क्यों तकदीर का इशारा चले रहो
As Frank watched, he felt a spark of rage within him. Seeing kids of his age dancing with such passion reminded him of his own dreams and the strength he had inside. Frank felt inspired to keep moving forward, knowing that every step matters. Frank participated in the competition with confidence. As he looked around the other participants, he took a deep breath and said to himself, I can do it.
leaders some success and make an Thank you.
When we have confidence in our own abilities, we open the door to endless possibilities and opportunities. Self-belief fuels your ambition, helping you to overcome obstacles and pursue your dreams with determination. Remember, every great achievement starts with your belief that you can succeed. So trust yourself and go after what you truly want.
Diwali festival again is around the corner. So let's enjoy a mindful performance by a lovely friend.
Oh,
दीवाना जब